Very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. I hope you all are fine and everybody is fine at home. I just hope you all are working very hard toward your studies. And the most importantly, you all are doing the revisions properly. Whatever the topics which I have teach you and which we have covered, I hope you all have done all those things. Basically, in right now videos, we are doing a discussion about the chapter 4, human development, where we have discussed up to the infancy stage. Infancy stage we had discussed in all proper manner. Okay, so firstly I should write down the details. So date today is, I hope the date is visible, 16/11/21. Class 11C. Subject psychology. So details are visible to you all. Here I am doing the revision, so I should write down the heading revision, and the chapter which we are revising is human development. Human development. In human development, the topic which we are going to discuss today is about childhood stage. We are going to discuss about childhood stage. So yes, children, this is a period which started after infancy. So childhood stage is a stage which comes after the infancy. It is a stage which comes after the infancy. Infancy is a period from 0 to 2 year. So childhood is stage which come after the 2 year. It begin from 2 year and it end up to the adolescence period. Adolescence period which start from the 11 years. Okay. चाइल्डहुड स्टेज की बात कर रहे हैं. So first of all, the point scheme is, it is a period from 2 to 11 years. This is a stage which comes just after the infancy. So many changes came in the child. The child about on the phase of learning. Child is learning the things. Learning stage में होता है. And the most importantly in the stage of development. Development stage में भी होता है. Developmental stage में होता है और developmental stage means developmental stages means in every aspects of development. Like we are talking about physical development, social, emotional, moral and motor development, as well as cognitive development. So if we are talking about development, so it is in every aspects which begin in childhood. When the child, we used to start to call them child. Come here, child. So we use the word and the phrase for them is the child. Now let's start about different areas of development. So firstly I am going to discuss is physical development. Yes, children. Yes, my dear students. Physical development I am talking about during childhood. Infancy is a stage where the child is about to develop, and physical development is about their development which take place physically. So if we are talking about the physical development during childhood, so basically the two patterns seem to be shown. The two patterns are, the one is the cephalocaudal pattern and second is the proximodistal pattern. One is cephalocaudal and second is proximodistal. Cephalocaudal pattern means development from head to tail, and proximodistal pattern related to near to far. Near to far. So the child develop cephalocaudal pattern. Firstly, there is a development of head, then the rest of the body, which is the tail region. You might have observed that आपने ये चीज notice किया होगा कि in the childhood period the child's head is big than the other parts of the body. तो cephalocaudal पैटर्न में डेवलप करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होता कि पहले इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी डेवलप देन द हेड डेवलप. नो, द पैटर्न इज cephalocaudal, head then the rest part of the body. The second pattern which we seem to have seen is proximodistal. Here the word proxim is related to the nearness. Proximity का मतलब होता है, the meaning of proximity is nearness. So how the physical development take place, the child near parts of the body are developed more than the rest part of the body. जो the parts which are very near to the child that develop than the other parts of the body. Like for example, this initially they start to move their whole hand and whole leg, and the fingers development take place later on, because that come under the fine motor skill. So when you study about the motor development also, which we are going to study also. So let me write down the motor development. So if I am talking about motor development, so two kind of skills is mentioned here. The one is gross motor skill and second is fine motor skill. Gross motor skill and fine motor skill. So obviously it is but obvious that the child gross motor skill develop first, then they come to the fine motor skill. Fine motor skill means use of fingers, use of toes. Okay. Firstly, in order to catch any object, they move their whole body. Initial, in the early childhood period, 2 years, okay, or infancy. But later on, slowly and slowly, they use their fine motor skills also. Okay? Write down these points. I hope you all have written down these points. Now we are going to discuss about physical development. I had discussed motor development. Here I am going to discuss with you cognitive development. What are the points which come under cognitive development? I hope the physical development and motor development is very clear to you all. बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो गया है. Physical development, motor development. Now cognitive development. Cognitive development means basically the development of cognition, thinking. We are studying about the development of mental processes. Okay, thinking, cognition, mental process. Basically, if we are discussing about childhood stage, so according to the Jean Piaget, the child is in the stage of pre-operational. Child किस stage में होता है? Pre-operational thought. Pre-operational stage यानी we can say that pre-operational thought develop हो जाता है child में. And what is the meaning of pre-operational thought? The concept of object permanence is developed in the child. Object permanence develop. Pre-operational thought develop. Object permanence concept develop. Rest other so many things. Object permanence, I hope you all are understanding. What is object permanence? Object permanence means in infancy, the child has the concept that what is out of sight is out of mind. जो सामने से चला गया वो माइंड से भी चला गया. तो object permanence means object is existing, object is permanent, it is not going anywhere. So that concept developed during childhood. not in infancy. ठीक है. Now other some things also develop during under the cognitive development. The third is egocentrism. What is the meaning of egocentrism? Egocentrism means the child develop the concept of self. सेल्फ का कॉन्सेप्ट डेवलप कर लेते हैं. ईगोसेंट्रिज्म, सेल्फ सेंटर्ड. बेसिकली आप कह सकते हैं कि जो चाइल्ड होता है, जो बच्चा होता है, वो सेल्फ सेंटर्ड हो जाता है. ईगोसेंट्रिज्म, सेल्फ सेंटर्ड. ठीक है. Is it clear? Now the next concept which developed during childhood is, after the egocentrism, is animism. Animism word is made from, like you all have heard about animate objects and inanimate objects. So animate objects यानी which have the life, living thing है. inanimate जो चीज जिसमें life या living thing वो नहीं है. तो एनिमिज्म का कंसेप्ट होता है यानी जिसमें लाइफ नहीं भी होती उसको वो लाइफ समझते हैं. तो चाइल्डहुड इज अ स्टेज वेयर द चाइल्ड कंसिडर द नॉन लिविंग थिंग ऑल्सो लिविंग. नॉन लिविंग थिंग को भी वो लिविंग समझते हैं. लाइक यू, आई थिंक यू ऑल हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड, they used to play with the toys and good day gudiya, they make them their marriage and okay, so ये सारी चीजें वो करते रहते हैं. they make stories on that one. So understood? Animism. So this is also a concept which developed during childhood. Okay. Next concept which developed during childhood is egocentrism. Done. Self-centered means self-focused. They doesn't know about what others are doing and they doesn't think about other. वो अपनी जैसे they rolled in their own world. अपनी ही दुनिया में rolled रहते हैं. So done. Pre-operational thought, object permanence develop, egocentrism, animism. ठीक है. The next characteristics which found is centration. See, whatever the phenomena and the word is here, जो भी phenomena और word यहाँ है, whatever the phenomena and the word is here, their meaning lie inside them. उनकी meaning उन्हीं में ही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ईगोसेंट्रिज्म, सेंट्रिज्म, ईगो यानी सेल्फ सेंटर्ड, एनिमिज्म. सिमिलरली सेंट्रेशन मीन्स होता है कि दे फोकस ऑन ओनली अ सिंगल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एनी ऑब्जेक्ट एंड थिंग. एक ही चीज को देखना. सेंट्रेशन सेंटर्ड हो जाते हैं, एक ही चीज को वो देखते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सेंट्रेशन. ओके. So, pre-operational thought is done, object permanence, egocentrism, animism, centration. This all find children, ये सारी चीज़ें स्टूडेंट्स ये फाइंड आउट होती हैं अर्ली चाइल्डहुड पीरियड एंड मिडिल चाइल्डहुड पीरियड, विच इज़ अबाउट 2 to 7 year. 2 to 5 year is the early childhood period and 5 to 7 year is the middle. तो 2 से लेके 7 साल तक के जो बच्चे होते हैं उनमें ये चीजें पाई जाती हैं. आफ्टर द 7 द लॉजिकल थिंकिंग डेवलप. ठीक है. दे कम इनटू द कंक्रीट ऑपरेशनल स्टेज. लॉजिकल भी नहीं कहेंगे पूरी तरह से. ठीक है. आई होप एवरीथिंग इज प्रॉपरली विजिबल टू यू ऑल and you all are able to understand to me what are the things which I am explaining to you all. So pre-operational thought, object permanence, egocentrism, animism and centration. ठीक है? I don't think so anything is left now. Centration, egocentrism, animism. Centration की example, one of the example is given in your book that it is very important for you all to understand it. आप उसे एक बार समझ लीजिए. Like 2 glass of water is there. One glass is something broad, okay, and but short but broad, and one glass is long but narrow. एक glass जो था वो it's long but narrow, but one glass is short but broad. Both are containing the same amount of water. But if these 2 glasses are shown to the child, they always preference for the long glass, because they see that one is short and one is long. So they are focusing only on single characteristics. एक ही characteristics पे centered हो जा रहे, focus हो जा रहे, उनका और किसी पे focus नहीं है, किसी और characteristics पे focus नहीं होता. Understood? Now ये 2 to 7 years में होता है. One more thing is left, okay, intuitive thought होते हैं. ठीक है, ABC में ही होते हैं. After the centration you should write down. Intuitive thought. What is the meaning of intuitive thought? Intuitive thought में ऐसे चीज़ें, ऐसे क्वेश्चन, इलॉजिकल क्वेश्चंस करते हैं. इंट्यूटिव थॉट्स होते हैं, इमेजिनेटिव थॉट्स होते हैं, इलॉजिकल क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? ये क्यों है, ये ऐसा क्यों है, क्यों ये पानी इधर जा रहा है, क्यों वाटर इज फ्लोइंग, वाई द वाटर इज फ्लोइंग हेयर ओनली, वाई द क्लाउड इज कमिंग, हाउ द क्लाउड इज कमिंग, हाउ द सन राइजेज. So they made some, they are very, you can say that they are very curious. Curiosity रहती है उनमें. And the questions are also curious. And they also ask the questions very curiously. Okay? So these are the things which are related to the cognitive development. So here we have discussed the physical development. And then motor development, then cognitive. Cognitive में अभी next part में इसमें discuss करना है, जो कि the child who came in the period of 7 to 11 years means the late childhood. So according to the Jean Piaget, the child is in the stage of concrete operational stage. Concrete (7 to 11 years is the period, and the period of late childhood. लेट चाइल्डहुड का पीरियड होता है. कंक्रीट यानी कंक्रीट, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कंक्रीट ऑपरेशनल स्टेज? कंक्रीट ऑपरेशनल स्टेज मीन्स दे आर अनएबल टू डेवलप इन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट थिंकिंग. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट थिंकिंग उनमें डेवलप नहीं हुई रहती है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट थिंकिंग? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट थिंकिंग? Abstract thinking means the person is able to mentally represent any person or object without their physical presence. Means वो person या कोई वो object या event physically present नहीं है, but person उसे mentally present कर पाता है. That is an abstract thinking. Like the things, abstract noun आपने पढ़ा होगा. You all have read about the abstract noun, abstract concept. The thing which we can't see, only feel. तो ये डेवलपमेंट उनकी एडोलसेंस में आती, यहाँ नहीं होती. यहाँ विच इज प्रेजेंट देयर, तो दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड ओनली दोज थिंग. ओके, so keep revising children. This is for all. Thank you.